Hello everyone, this is SQL part 1. In this tutorial we will learn structured query language and multiple queries, how to create database, how to create tables, and how to create multiple databases and tables. So in the first query will be performed in the SQL Management Studio. The how to create database, create table, add another table in the existing database, then create database and tables all together. So open the SQL Management Studio. Open new query. Create, increase the font size. Create database, name of the database. So the first two keywords are from the language create and database, and these are not case sensitive like other languages C++, C Sharp and Java. So you can use any uppercase or lowercase letters. Like create, we can also use first letter small or capital, and all other letters are small. Create database, no any issue. So perform the query, click on execute option. So you can see here command completed successfully. The database is created. Open the databases. So you can find LMS2 in the database tab. Now we will create a table. Again, create name of the table. We can give here registration or short name as RIG, or any short name you can give. Okay. Then parenthesis, registration underscore ID, primary key, not null, identity. Identity is used for auto key, auto number. Primary key, not null. The first column name is registration ID. The column data type is integer. Primary key is assigned to this column so that this column will accept only unique numbers. So this will not accept any duplicate value. After that, student underscore name, varchar 50. So only 50 characters can be given up to this column. Address, varchar. So we can give here std underscore address, varchar 50. So here you can see in the option, in the drop down menu, master database is coming. We have to select our database where we have to send the table, where we have to create the table. So LMS2 is created before as a database. Now this table will be created in the LMS2 database. Perform the query. Query is executed successfully. So table is created in the LMS2. We can check. So you can see here the name of the database is registration. So database table is created. After that, we will perform another query. Suppose that already database is created, table is created, but we want to add another table. How we can add this? So we can use the reference of the database with the brackets, and we can select database name from here. Then create table, name of the table as subject parenthesis subject id int primary key not null identity yes. In the first column, the name of the column is subject id, the data type is integer, and the column is having a primary key. So this primary key will make this column a unique, so no any duplication value can be added in this column. Identity primary key not null. Okay, the first column is completed. Second column, subject name varchar 50. So straight away we can add this table into the database LMS2. Now we will learn how we can create database and table all together. According to our slide, first we have created the database, then table, then another table is added to in the existing database. Now we'll create database and table all together. Create database LMS3, same as we have given the query before for the creation of database. Now give the query same for the table, create table, name of the table std, and then parenthesis. That's very simple to create database and table all together. So we can give here std id, data type integer, primary key not null, identity yes. The first column having the properties and data type integer, primary key not null, and identity. Student name varchar 50, then address varchar 50. So like this way we can add multiple columns. We have added just only 3 columns, so you can add multiple columns according to the same sequence. For make sure the first column should be primary key not null and identity yes. So auto number will be assigned to the first column. Execute the query. Command completed successfully. So we can find the LMS3 database in the list of databases. Refresh the list of databases. So LMS3 is created. That's the name of the database. Then table, name of the table. You can find the name of the table. The table, refresh the database again. Refresh the LMS3 database 2 or 3 times. So you can see the std, the name of the table. The table is created in the LMS3. So database and table created all together. Thanks for listening. That's for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.